Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can unblock Binance account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead, first of all access your Binance app. Once you have done that, it will simply show you a notification regarding that your Binance app is not working or there are some issues going on. So what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead, go to the section of Unlock, and then you will have to provide some security verification step. First is simply going to the option of deactivate account or unblock account. Then provide the security verification, as I mentioned, can include an answering question that you have a secret freeze installed as a two-step verification on your account. Go ahead, provide that, or it might be also considering providing or uploading your ID. Go ahead, provide that, and including the selfie upload as well. Once you do that, you will be able to submit an application and they will verify it step by step and let you know on your email whether your account can be unblocked or not. Go ahead, simply check your email once in a while, or that otherwise simply go ahead, complete a KYC verification. If the problem is not yet solved, if it still doesn't work, then choose to reset your password once. That can sometime activate your account. Otherwise, go ahead, contact the customer support of Binance itself to avoid any kind of scams if your account has been stolen. That's what you can do to solve it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.